VLOOKUP has been the most searched Excel function for 20 years, but XLOOKUP now outperforms it in every benchmark test. VLOOKUP can only search the leftmost column and return values to the right. This forces you to restructure data or use workarounds like index match. XLOOKUP removes this limitation entirely. XLOOKUP takes a lookup value, lookup array, and return array as its three core arguments. Optional arguments handle not found values, match mode, and search mode, all built in. Reverse lookups, multiple return columns, built-in error handling, binary search for sorted data, and wildcard matching. Each scenario would require complex workarounds with VLOOKUP. I'll rebuild 5 common VLOOKUP formulas using XLOOKUP. Notice how each one becomes shorter, more readable, and handles edge cases that VLOOKUP silently gets wrong. Make the switch to XLOOKUP today. Your future self will thank you. Hit subscribe for more formula deep dives every week.